Okay, topic 5.2, more arcs and central angles. I kind of started this one already, but first of all, let's look at the arcs, the angles that are already given to us. They have, let's see, okay, PZ here, they're telling us is the diameter, and you can tell because it's going through the radius, through the center. So if this is 90 and this is 25, all three angles have to add up to 180. So if you subtract 180 minus 90 minus 25, you'll get 65. Or if you add these two, you'll also get 90. And the same thing on this side. There's three angles that add up to make the semicircle, 38, 87. This one would be 55. Just remember, these all add to 180 and these all add to 180. All the angles add to 360. Okay, finding the length of the arc ZQP. If you look at ZQP, it's a semicircle, so that's 180 degrees. RZ is the 55 degree, and don't forget a minor arc is always anything smaller than 90 degrees. ZMP is another semicircle. RM, on RM you'll have to add 55 and 65 because that's a minor arc and it means the smaller one, so that's 120 when you add those two. That's a minor arc. I know that also by knowing it's only two letters. If there's three letters, it's possibly a major arc. NQP. Okay, look at this one carefully. NQP, do not go from NPQ. That's the minor arc. If they've given you three letters and it's NQP, then you need to go from N through Q all the way to P. So really this one is all of the angles except this 90 degree angle. So that one's 270 degrees. That's a major arc. QN means the minor arc, so it's going to be 90 and 38. That's 128. And then RP is a minor arc, so we have to find R and P. Do not go around this way because that would be a major arc. Just when it's using two letters, just find the two that are going to add up to be less than 180. So that's going to be 125. That's also a minor arc. Alright, let's go to example 2. On example 2, this one we're going to have to do a little bit of algebra because they're giving us some variables. So on this one you have, do they give us, yeah, they've actually marked this picture where all of the arcs that go around the circle are marked. So we're going to have to add. Let's start with the 3x plus 6. We're going to add the 3x minus 4, the 6x minus 6, and the x. And they all do add up to a total of 360 degrees. If you add your 3x, 6x, and 1x, that's 13x. And then you add the 6 minus 4 minus 6. That's going to be a negative 4. You would add 4 to both sides, so you get 13x is equal to 364. Divide by 13, so x is equal to 28. Let's put that over here. Now all you have to do is replace your value of x. When you replace the 28, let's look at the first one. AEB. AEB is the minor arc. That's the same thing as x, so that's a 28 degree angle. Always remember that the arc degree is the same degree of the central angle. BEC, if you multiply 3 times 28 plus 6, that's 90. CED, that's going to be 3 times 28 minus 4, that's 80. And DAE, I'm sorry, DEA, that's going to be 6 times 28 minus 6. That's 162. Okay. I think that's all the notes on this topic. Now it's time for you to work some on your own.